Hi, I'm Mark, and this is a short video about how to start programming with your Raspberry Pi. Now I'm going to use a Raspberry Pi 3, that's one of these, and we're going to use a programming language called Python. Now with Python you can program all those bits of hardware which you plug into the Raspberry Pi, so it's going to be really useful to learn how to do this. Now it might sound a little bit difficult, but actually it's really easy. All you got to do is get stuck in, start getting things working. So let's have a go. Now I'm using a Raspberry Pi 3 using Raspbian, which comes with version 2 and version 3 of Python, but I'm going to be using version 3. So let's start up the Python app. Now this is the shell window. Now that means we can type in commands and we can see the output from our programs. It's sometimes called the console or the debug window. From here we can type in Python code and see the output created when the code's run. So we can type a simple command like print. This command just prints whatever letters you tell it to. We put what we want to print inside brackets and quotation marks. Because we're printing a word, we need to use quotes. But if we're working with numbers, we don't need to use quotes. When we hit the return key, Python runs the code we've typed in. That's great. Now we've got something happening. Now we need to think about making a program that we can save and then run again when we need it to, rather than typing it in each time. So first, let's make a new file. We're going to type our commands into this file like we did with the shell window, but this time it's like writing words into a text editor or Word. Nothing's actually going to happen when we hit return because it's just a text file. Now we're going to save our file somewhere, so let's go to our file manager and create a new folder. We're going to put our Python files in the folder. Let's call it Python. Okay. Then we go back to our Python text editor and we save our file. And Python files are saved with the extension .py. So that we know what the file's for. Now all we do is we run our program and we see what happens. The program runs and the output goes to the shell window. Now we have a program that we can load up and run without retyping it. In the next video, we'll make our program a bit more interesting and explore some of the easy stuff you can do with Python.